Shri Rajiv Saxena for his presentation. Shri Rajiv Saxena is an IRSS officer, Indian Railway Store Services, and currently he is serving as the Joint Secretary at the Ministry of Textile. Over to you, sir.
Very good evening to all participants, ladies and gentlemen. I am also coming from Government of India, taking from the last speaker, Sanjeev, where he left. So many things are common, so I will not cover all these. He has very well explained the procedure, how we implement the quality control orders, or what is the government priority and public demand for this quality consciousness. So I will be just supplementing what he has said. So basically textile sector, as we know that it is one of the second largest employment generator in India, and a very huge segment comprising of 11-12% of exports and sizable imports also. So what we think of quality. Quality is a movement. It is not a one-day drive. So quality we require to develop a habit in our country, and everybody is aware of the quality. And to have this quality movement, we need to we need to develop a conscious effort among the people. And quality varies from person to person, also area to area, geographically also. What a quality product in Europe cannot be a quality product in India, because if we attain the same quality, that may incur the cost also. It has to be as per our requirement. So our Bureau of Indian Standards are in a continuous process of developing new standards. As per many times they take the help of ISO standards, European Union standards, but many times some of the products are not covered in ISO, or our requirement is different. We develop our own quality standards, and to comply this quality standard, the two ways are there. One for the domestic production, our domestic consumption, we also want a quality, and second, we want that the imported products are imported with the requisite quality that our country needs, our people needs. So I will be covering what Textile Ministry is doing and in which directions we are moving. So so far we have already issued some of the quality control orders for the jute items. You can see that jute items are specific to India. It is not very much available. Very few countries are producers of the jutes. So we have issued the quality control orders for this. Some discourse of cotton bales. Next one. There is another very important area is called technical textiles. Our main focus is issuing of the quality control orders in technical textiles. Technical textiles, as many of us know, that it is some functional textiles where quality is of paramount importance. Like it covers the bulletproof jacket to geotextiles used in infrastructure projects. So there cannot be any compromise on the quality. If you say that the bulletproof jacket or the high altitude clothing doesn't perform its function, the human life is affected. So we are trying to cover as many products in the technical textiles under quality control orders. So in the first phase we are taking up this geotextiles items and protected textiles items, because these are directly related to human life. And then the next phase, some agro textiles items and some of the few medical textiles items we are covering, and then we will be in the process of taking up other technical textiles items. Besides some consumer textiles item, we are also thinking of taking into account. So this is the summary what we have done for some of the items, like 31 items we have already hosted on the WTO website for mandatory 60 days. And after this completion, we will be holding. We have received some of the comments from different stakeholders, like European Union also objecting on these 28 items, for which we have yet to notify on the WTO. We are taking their concerns, and while framing the guidelines for QCOs, we will take into account these in the second phase. I think 22 agro textiles items and 6 medical textiles. We have got some queries, and we will be working on it. And on the same lines, we will be taking up other new items also. Next one. So this is the summary what we are showing. We are working on 100 plus items to be brought under the quality control dollars, and mainly focusing on technical textile products. This is what the textile ministry is doing. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your presentation.